Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play YouTube in background in Redmi Note 13. All you guys have to do just go to YouTube, open a video, and from floating bar now see if you have option of play video in background, but we don't have any option right there. So all you guys have to do just go to security option and press and hold it. As you see this option come, just click on app info. Okay, so this is my HyperOS version phone. It don't have option of uninstall in between these two, but in MIUI version we have option of uninstall here. So just click on uninstall and then again check the YouTube video. So the option is appear here, but this can only work in MIUI version. If you have HyperOS version like me, so HyperOS doesn't have this update yet. So all you guys have to do just go to Play Store. Don't worry, we have a trick here. Just go to Play Store and type black screen. As you see, this is only a 5 MB file. Just install it. This may help you to play a video in background. Just open it and then set allow OK. After that, as you see, we have here a black screen. Allow the permission here and then go back. So select any clock. I am selecting this one, and floating button, which is already selected, and this is okay. Then taps to awake. So just click on 2. That's mean if you want to awake or if you want to open the screen, so just double tap. Then select this, skip unlock screen and then start. Allow the permission and that's it. Open the YouTube, and as you see, we have floating lock here. Just set it anywhere you want and that's it. So open the video. I am increasing the volume again so you guys can see. Okay, now this is a video. I want to play it on a background. All I have to do just click on lock and that's it. As you see, the video is already continue. As you see, the video is already playing on the background and the screen is off. And if you want to open it again, don't press volume button. All you guys have to do is just double tap here. And that's it. This is how we can play video in the background, especially in a HyperOS mobile. So if this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. Comment down if the method work or not. See you guys in next video. Take care.